The old man wakes before dawn, calm hands and a silent heart. He pushes off alone, chasing something only he can see. Blue surrounds him, no sound but waves and breath. A sharp tug, he grips the line. It has begun. The fish pulls hard. He holds on, teeth clenched. Darkness falls. "We are brothers," he tells the fish. Back aching, hands burning, still he pulls. The marlin leaps into air, silver flashes across morning light. He lashes the fish beside the boat. His breath slows in silence. Shadows circle close. He grips his oar, ready for the fight. Nothing remains but bone and silence. His eyes stay fixed ahead. Back home he sleeps deeply. In dreams, lions roam the shore.